Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 Best Bench Vise Reviews. Number 5. Irwin Woodworker's Vise. Toe in toward top jaws helps to hold the workpiece in place. Square body seating is easy to mount either on the workbench or on the floor. Loophole to install wooden cheeks to avoid any damage to workpieces. Brand, Irwin Tools. Weight, 6 pounds. Model, 226,361. Dimension, 7 x 3.8 x 8 inches. Sizes, 6.5 inches. Color, silver or blue. Number 4. Yoast LV4 Home Vise 4.5 inches. Cast iron construction lasts a long time. 240-degree swivel base helps to position at your desired direction. Built-in pipe jaws to hold small pipes and tubes. Glue powder coat ensures durability. 4 mounting holes to mount the vise securely to the workbench. Brand, Yoast Tools. Weight, 10.1 pounds. Model, LV4. Dimension, 11 x 11 x 7.5 inches. Size, 4.5 inches. Construction, cast iron. Number 3. Yoast Vise's FS V4, 4 inches heavy-duty forged steel bench vise. 0.5 inches to 2 inches diameter pipe capacity works well for heavy-duty applications. 360-degree swivel base helps to move the jaw direction for proper placement. Forged steel construction with the powder-coated finish makes it weather-resistant. Brand, Yoast Tools. Weight, 22 pounds. Model, FS V4. Dimension, 20 x 210 x 8.5 inches. Color, red. Construction, steel. Number 2. Yoast Vise's 750 DI 5 inches heavy-duty multi-jaw rotating combination pipe and bench vise. Multi-jaw bench vise for heavy-duty clamping action. Vise head can rotate up to 360 degrees in 12 locking positions for proper placement. 360-degree swivel base can be adjusted in various directions for appropriate placement. Brand, Yoast Tools. Weight, 22 pounds. Model, 11,750. Dimension, 20 x 210 x 8.5 inches. Sizes, 5 inches. Color, blue. Number 1. Declan, 4 inches swivel bench vise. 30,000 psi cast iron to last a long time. Serrated steel jaws provide a non-slip grip and hold work firmly. 120-degree swivel base offers versatility. 3 mounting holes to anchor the vise on the workbench. Brand: weight 15 pounds. Model 54004. Dimension 10.8 into 5 into 5.6 inches. Sizes 4 inches, 6 inches or 8 inches. Construction: cast iron.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!